Golf India Foxtrot, Charlie 67, and on Black Dodge Charger. I know not against.
How you doing?
You just already stopped me, sir.
What was that?
You already talked to me tonight, sir.
Who did?
I was on that street over there. You the same officer?
No, it's not me. I didn't pull you over tonight.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. What's the reason for you putting me in?
Well, your tag's not assigned to this vehicle.
It's definitely
And it's
signed.
expired.
It's definitely
And
signed.
you have dark tint.
My tent? I just talked to the officer, sir. Like everything you just said.
Well, all three of those things is why I pulled you over.
My tag, what's my date on my tag, sir? I know I
February of 23.
I just got a 30-day extension on in February.
February of 23 is what it says on the back of it. And your tint's too dark.
And then the officer I just talked to two officers in the same. One of them had a beard just like you. That's why.
Well, that's fine. I don't know who they are. That's not me.
I really think that was you, sir. You came up behind him and you was like, no,
it's not me.
We're looking for someone who got a tattoo on his neck.
No, that is not. Do you have your ID with you? You gonna roll down this back window?
Ain't nothing but some car seats back there, sir.
You can go
my baby car seats right there.
That's fine. So,
Percent winner is 25. There's enough of us out here working. Come on, let's figure out stack of it.
yeah, scale of residue. You know, actually, we probably need to test this residue and make sure it is what it is.
5 minutes.
I think it.
It's on him.
So there's a scale of residue that we just pulled out of your car. What do you think the dog
Hey, come on, my car.
Like what?
The car, look, we just
That's
pulled
what
out
he
of the car.
I think it's what he transports it in.
I came out that bag, man. That was
You
in the
could've
car.
blamed Nancy for
Well,
that?
I mean, we have a problem.
You're not blaming my auntie for it.
Yeah, simple. I search all. I already searched it.
All right, but it's
You had to be down. You just did all that, man.
Yeah, I didn't search it down personally.
Hey man, spread your feet for us. Spread your feet. Put your toes out. There you go.
Sir, that don't make sense.
Put your hands on top of your head for me. Top of your head, bro. Leave your hands up there so we tell you otherwise.
Can I sit this down in the car?
I'll hold that for you.
Mom, can somebody hold this for me, please, man?
Put your hands on top of your head, bro. Keep them up there for me.
I just want my mom to see everything what's being done right
Well,
now.
Nancy's right here. You can feel free to film it. We've all got body worn cameras that are activated and recording.
I haven't done nothing for y'all to be
So
doing
we
all
just
this.
pulled narcotics here. You guys should be up to that right now.
What I'm saying,
Put your hands top of your head. Bro, what did I tell you? Face that way, keep your hands top of your head.
I'm just trying to make sure nobody put nothing on me, sir.
Sir, we don't carry drugs to put on people.
I watch too much Facebook.
Black jacket, black shorts, and long collar here to
Hey, hold the phone, then you hold my phone.
Just hold your phone right there, dude.
It's called searching them.
So you
Do you have something in there?
No. You digging in my pants. You digging.
Well, you got something in the front.
No, I don't got nothing. I told you that. So I just did.
Put your phone right there, alright? Mama can see everything.
I told you, ain't nothing on.
There's something here.
No, it's not.
Alright, well, let's put them in handcuffs and we'll get it out.
Yeah, buddy.
Put your hand behind your back.
Yeah, there's buddy.
Hey,
man,
it's easier to stop.
Stop, or I'm gonna put you on the
Why y'all
ground.
doing
Stop, or I'm
this
gonna
to me,
put you on
man?
the ground.
Grabbing me, man.
Stop, or I'm
Why
gonna
y'all
put
grabbing
You're
me?
gonna get...
Get on the ground.
Stop resisting!
Stop it! Stop it!
Brett, hold her back.
Stop it!
Get on the ground.
Let go of my fucking leg!
Stop it!
Get on the ground, sir. Put your hands behind your back.
Stay back. He's got a gun. He's a gun. It's hard. It's hard.
Watch out, watch out. Hey, man, put your hands behind your back and get tased. Put your hands behind your back and get tased.
Get on the fucking ground.
Tase them, dude.
No.
Wait.
Get on the ground.
He ain't hitting you! Why you hitting?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. I'm on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. I'm on the ground.
Don't bring more! Please don't bring more!
Somebody handcuff.
Please don't bring more! Please don't bring it! Please! I ain't bring more! Don't bring more! Don't bring more! Ouch! Ouch! Don't bring more! Please don't bring more! Man, oh!
There's more units over there. HQ K9 13. 1067. We're 77.
HQ number 76. Send us 2 more units as well. HQ number 7.
1018, more units, please.
Cam body cams over there. 10-4.
Here.
Front of the prime top.
It's yours. Is that yours?
You're getting a fucking bully charge, asshole.
Yeah, good job.
Felonies.
HQ number 76. I'm 77.
I got a what?
Three
sorry.
felonies on top of whatever's in your waistband.
I didn't do
Or grab my
anything.
fucking leg. 3 felonies, homie. Have fun.
I didn't grab your leg, sir, please.
3 felonies on top of whatever's in your fucking waistband. All got body worn cameras that are activated for you. Alright? Bro, we just pulled narcotics paraphernalia out of the car. You guys should be up to that right now. Keep your hands top of your head. Bro, what did I tell you? Raise that leg, keep your hands top of your head. Sir, we don't carry drugs to put on people. That's some fake Hollywood fake news.
Black jacket and black shorts, swinging a long cord near the entrance, running for only. Swinging insurance on.
Just hold your phone right there, dude.
It's called searching them. Do you have something in there?
No.
Nothing?
In my pants.
I feel like you got something in the front, bro.
Oh, I don't got nothing.
Turn this way.
I just did.
Put your phone right there, alright? Mama can see everything.
They're fine here.
Well, it's not.
Alright, well, let's put them in handcuffs and we'll get it out.
Yeah, buddy, they're
Put your hand behind your back.
yeah,
Spread your feet.
they're buddy.
Tension, relax. Bro, you're about to get jumped in your
Stop,
face.
or I'm gonna put you on the ground. Stop, or I'm gonna put you on the ground. Stop, or I'm gonna put you on the ground.
You're gonna get on the ground. Stop! Sister! Get on the ground. Let go of my fucking leg!
I don't got no head.
On the ground, sir. Put your hands behind your back.
No, I appreciate it, buddy.
And the paramedics put on my shoe for me. Yeah, we'll get that later.
Yeah, we're gonna get you in the back of a police car, get you downtown. How's that sound?
My shoe? No shoe?
You ready to stand up?
They'll take it with you.
You ready to stand up? Yeah. Well, we're gonna take your shoes off anyway. See if you had anything. I'm trying to help you up.
Man, come on, man, you hurt, man.
Helping you up, dude.
Man, come on, man, let mom go, man. Let mom go.
How would you like to stand up?
He broke my arm, man.
There. He's gonna grab that side. I'll grab this side. Tuck your leg
He
in, bro.
broke my arm,
Tuck your leg in
man.
and we'll stand you up.
If your arm was broke, the paramedics would take you.
Oh, man, please don't stop. That's my arm, man. I can just lift me up. I can get up
Tuck
this
this leg in and
I
I'll
can
roll
get
up on
up
this
this
side.
way, man. Just put.
Okay, well then get up. I'll help you. There you go. All right, let's put you in the car.
Oh, before that, we gotta search him.
All right, let him check
Here,
you out.
just keep going forward.
Here, lean
Lean up
against that
against the
car,
car.
brother. Lean against that car.
Let me grab my other glove.
And then we need to double check this cuffs because you're definitely not double locked.
Can I get a light? Can I get a light?
Sir, you're not supposed to do that. It's violation of my rights, man.
Not giving you a cabinet, sir. Bro, just open
Yeah, man. You got all of my booty teeth right now.
50,
Who knows?
5th and Mount Herman, Florida Detective.
So,
Look what he doing. Look what he doing.
Light.
Look what he doing.
SUV clock.
Look what he doing.
Hey, pull the light down.
Look what he doing. Come on, man. That's in my teeth right there. Hey, nobody don't see this, man. Man, somebody needs to bring on.
To keep his privacy, duh.
Y'all not keeping my privacy right now, man.
hey, bro, listen, we're talking. What's done out here, you take anything to the jail. Crack out, piece of weed.
I don't care about none of that.
Felony.
I don't have nothing to do with none of that, sir.
Take your other shoe off.
I just don't want you to take something in there. And
You don't have to worry about none of that, sir. I really don't want to talk about nothing but my rights, man. My rights been violated. Majorly. Majorly. My rights been violated. Majorly. Majorly violated. That's why y'all trying to stack all these tickets and charges. Somebody put like I tried to fight you.
Nothing, bro. You did it yourself.
Like somebody tried to fight you, bro. You making a whole allegation, bro.
Oh, it's all on camera, but it ain't no allegation on that. Don't you worry.
It's an allegation that I did what?
Fought us.
Fought y'all? Who I hit?
You grabbed him.
Who I
Grab
hit?
my leg, bro. Not cool.
After somebody hit me in the head about 30 times?
Yeah, that's a little exaggeration. I was the only one punching you. That's a little exaggeration. Make sure these are double locked. Hey, can I get a light?
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, we got to double check in the cuffs. There you go, sorry. Over here running my sub.
I'm loosening up your handcuffs.
I mean,
Well,
if
you
you want to
keep
leave
bending
them on
my
like that,
same arm. You bending the same arm. This arm right, see how you-
bro, if it was broken, it would have some sort of
And I
deformity.
feel the pain, dog. Bad. Sharp pain shooting through my arm right now.
Well, we'll take you to jail and have the nurse check you out, all right? Rescue already said you were good, sir. If your shit was broken, I promise Rescue would have told us.
Can I double lock these? Is that okay with you?
You shaking it on purpose, bro.
No,
Your
you're
right
just
arm?
fixing your handcuffs so they don't
Go ahead and sit
tighten
down.
up, cutting off circulation in your arm.
That's crazy, dog.
Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, you know what? You're right. You reminded me. Let's check your socks. Let's do that. I haven't had to get one of those in a while.
Once we move that car, it's either under his car or this car or
Yeah.
that car.
Can I get a flashlight?
Yes, sir.
This is the pre-trial special right here. And everybody had stuff in their socks. Up. Clean sock.
There you go.
All right, next one. All right, clean sock. All right, buddy, you want to put your feet in? Perfect.
All right, so I'm trying to figure out where to put that mile of whatever the hell it is.